What's going on, guys? This is Carson the Fever. I'm the lead window tinter here at Vernon Signature Audio. Today we have a cherry red 2026 Dodge Charger that we're going to be putting our ceramic package on. We do 35% ceramic on the front two doors, 5% on the back half. Going pretty dark on this one. We have a Spirit, Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge dealership that we have. They're gracious enough to let us tint it. So on these front two doors, we're going to be using our plotter-based program in order to cut these patterns out. Typically, we'll do the front two doors first with these open-faced windows. A lot of times they roll up and down, so if you like to keep them up just in case we need to add some heat, let that adhesive kind of kick in. From there, we'll start on the quarters and then shrink the back glass, let that dry. That way it gives us plenty of time to be able to clean and prep everything.
I'd rather be lucky. Now you can win a Powerball with 80 million in the pot. Didn't go all in with ace and king and hit a straight flush on the flop. You can sit here on the creek bank fishing with a girl that's hot, now that's plain lucky. Yeah, my old college roommate, some big software CEO. My cousin benches 405 and flies his jets wrong. There's some.
So we got our plotter pattern ready. Now we're about to start prepping these doors. Since they're open-faced, we'll do it a little bit different. These door panels line up a little bit more than some of your parents' Christmas trees. So we're having to cover these up, make sure nothing happens. It's 2026. I can't do this. I know you can't either. So got my true spray backpack on, like I'm about to go to school. So let's show you a couple things.
My baby's 1 in a million, fellas, and I tell you that's the truth. So while you're out searching for one that's sweet and smart and sexy too, I'll be home sipping a cold one for you. Here's to hoping you get lucky. I hope you get lucky. 'Cause they sing about the girl that I've got on the radio. She's a cross between the cover of an outdoor life and Vogue.
These front doors done on this Charger now. Let's make our way to the back, see if we can get some shit on that now.
Yeah, I'd rather be lucky. I'd rather be lucky. I'd rather be lucky than good in the day of the week, girl. I'm gonna give them that 2-4, 4 on the floor like an outlaw bozo did before. Got the pretty girls out there begging for more. Gotta give them all what they came here for.
So we've got this starch jar now. We're gonna go ahead and move back to the plotter and get this back glass cut so we can start shrinking it.
Like an old freight train on a wing and a prayer and a glorified Greyhound bus, flying down the road running 9-0 and kicking up dust. Drinking truck stop coffee, counting birds on those telephone wires, burning the midnight oil and the tread off these old Goodyear tires. I'm gonna give them that 2-4, 4 on the floor like an outlaw bozo did before. Got the pretty girls out there begging for more. Gotta give them all what they came here for. Doing my thing, singing my song, right on track, I'm trucking along. I'm here and gone like yesterday, rolling like an old freight train. And sometimes my mind is a million miles away. I know you're sound asleep at home while I'm on this stage. And I'm missing you, wishing I was kissing you every day. But girl, I gotta keep rolling, rolling like an old freight train. It's a mighty lonesome sound when there's not a soul around to help you ease your pain. But you gotta keep rolling, rolling like an old freight train. I'm I'm gonna give them that 2-4, full on the floor like them outlaw boys done did before. Got the pretty girls out there begging for more, gotta give them all what they came here for. Doing my thing, singing my song, right on track, I'm trucking along. I'm here and gone like yesterday.
That concludes our two-door Dodge Charger ceramic package with 35 and 5% on the back half. Come on, guys. If it's gonna get as hot, as luscious as his mom this summer, y'all gonna need some tint. Come by Vernon, we'll hook you up.
Yesterday, running like an old freight train, just like an old freight train. Tell me, do you wanna ride this terrain?
If it's gonna get as hot, as luscious as his mom this summer,